everyone, with me Nurmaya Khoerunnisa. Welcome to reaction video about of technology and teachers. Let's get started. We live in an era of high technology, the speed of development of which is increasing every day. Every day, we witness new discoveries and achievements in various areas of life, including the education sector. And the question is, can technology replace teachers? From the articles I read, they say no, and I agree with this perception. Why? Advance in information technology will be a solution for limited access to information. Along with the development of technology, schools in Indonesia have begun to implement and develop their management information systems, so that they are able to keep up with this era. Application of information technology to support the educational process, thereby increasing efficiency and productivity for education management. The role of the teacher in the application of technology-based education in schools is basically as a facilitator, whose function is to direct students to always use technology correctly and effectively, so that students can be helped by the technology they use in learning. Teacher can make technology as an assistant. Technology can handle tasks that a teacher cannot do. Teachers must learn how to assess and critique technology in order to identify those tools best placed to make a real contribution to the classroom. With the development of technology, it makes easier for teachers to make instruction and learning online through the WhatsApp, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. So, do you realize that technology needs someone to manage it? And online learning also requires people to provide instruction. Therefore, we need a teacher. It is much obvious that technology is assisting students in their learning, and it is playing a crucial role in the field of education. But, as of now, it does not have the power to replace teachers because human interaction cannot be replaced by computers and human skills cannot be taught by technology. Okay, thank you for watching. May this useful for you. Bye!